Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you can hear me. And today we are going to learn what? Devi Durga. Yes, and in a very, very different way. Okay, we will be learning Devi Durga in the appearance of Mahagauri. Okay, Mahagauri. The other name of Devi Durga is Mahagauri. Mahagauri, it means when a devil named Shambhu started creating disaster everywhere, started disturbing Mother Earth a lot, then Devi Durga took appearance of Mahagauri and finished that devil to save this Mother Earth. Okay. So for this, we are going to use our file vertically. Now, all of you keep your file standing position. Keep it in standing position vertically. Okay. When we keep our file in standing position, it is called vertically. Okay. And yes, we are going to color this picture today only. And students, Dashera, and it is on Friday. Dashera is holiday. Yay! You all are happy because Dashera no class. Okay. And besides this, today we will draw and color. So we are supposed to be little quick. Okay. So we will be learning this lovely drawing. This you can try for, and we are going to use watercolors. So please take out your watercolors. For water container, paintbrush, cotton, earbud, everything quickly. Because we are supposed to do it very quickly. Okay, today we will color it today only. And I'm very, very happy to announce about achievement of our students. They are doing so well everywhere. And I'm very happy to announce about Devdutt. Before this also, I just shared many of his victories with you. And I'm very happy. Yesterday only, I got this information from Devdutt. He got selected in national level. So, Atmanirbhar Bharat. And he won medals, certificate, prizes, and is now selected for national level. It was a big competition, and I'm so happy, Devdutt. We are really proud of you, and you're doing so well. Before this also, you just reported many victories of yours. Your dedication, your hard work is actually responsible for this. So lots of blessings and proud of you. So chalo, without delay, we will start. Now what I will be doing, I will take my scale and pencil, and first I will divide my paper half. Okay, let's divide our paper half. See, this is A3 size, but you can do it on A4 also. If you are doing on A4, then also you will divide your paper half. Okay. A3 or A4, vertically, you will divide your paper half like this. This is the middle. I will make a line and I will divide this paper half. Okay. And Mahagauri, it means that look of Devi. We are going to learn the appearance of Parvati. This is okay. Want to see class? This is, I can see the whole class. And this is alignment of my file. Okay, so you will divide it vertically like this. And now, and those who are using A4 size, they will also divide their file vertically like this. And now I'm going to divide this complete vertical line in equal 3 blocks. And as we use our fingers for measurement, so I'm going to take 5 fingers distance. Okay, 5 fingers. So here I will leave some distance and I will take 4 and 1, 5. Okay, I will start taking it from here. 4, then 1, 5. I will mark 4 and then 1, 5. 4 and then 1, 5. This ways I took 5, 5 and 5. 15 fingers. Okay, divide this complete vertical line in 3 equal blocks. Okay. Yes, I'm repeating again. Valli Srinidhi. What I did, I divide my paper vertically half. Okay. And if you are using A4 size paper, then you don't have enough space. So you will start directly from top. 5 fingers, 5 fingers, 5. But on the bigger size, you will leave little space and then you will start 5 fingers, 5 fingers, 5 fingers. Okay? You will hold your pencil in this hand, and with this hand, you can take measurement. Like artists, at the place of using scale for measurement, start using your fingers and hands. Done? Okay? Now this middle block is going to be our nose. So what you will be doing, you will be making one more line. It's almost straight, and then give a curve. Come on, do this. And it is less than 1 finger. Thank you so much. Okay, so you are going to do this face. This is middle block. Okay, in our face, this middle block is always our nose. Kavishri, not to worry. We took a line, we divided 5 fingers, and this middle one, I draw one more line, I connect. And now from here, I will be giving you now close-up view. With close-up view, you will be able to see it clearly. Okay. I will, on A4, I will be taking directly from top. Okay. Like here, I leave some space. See, here I leave some space and then I took my measurement. But here you will take directly from top. Okay. This is the difference. And for making face of Devi Parvati, you will use complete this portion. When here, we are going to decide the line. Okay. Now from here, almost 1 finger big, I will be making a straight almost line and J. And almost taking 1 finger distance, I will be writing one C. And this is nose. Okay, nose of Devi Parvati. You can show it less hook shape. Okay. Yes. Done? Can I check this? Can I check this? Yes. Shabash. Very good. Very nice. Okay, we will go little fast because, and see, many of you made it very small. It is 1 finger. See, this is 1 finger high. So don't make it very thin. Okay, now from here, all of you see from here, first I will decide face. So for face, I'm going to take 7 fingers. 4 from here, from this middle line, 4 and 3. 4 and 3, that is 7 fingers. Come on, take 7 fingers. And here in small file, it is already 7 fingers. So you will just make shape till end. But as this file is big, I will just take measurement 7 fingers, 4 and 3. In front of nose from here, I took 7 fingers. And now I'm going to connect it using U, letter U. It is a kind of abstract art, which you can try for canvas also. After learning it from here, you can even try this artwork for canvas painting. It is beautiful artwork for canvas painting. Okay, so this is U shape. Four and 5. I will do the correction of measurement here. The 5 fingers. Okay. After this, this is my face. You can extend it here. Now, very carefully see from here till here. From this point till this point, I'm going to make eyebrow, and as I want to show Mahagauri and Devi Kali, so I want to show eyebrow curved. Write a big C. Join it here. C for cat. See it, I'm going slanting And I'm going curved eyebrow. See, it is curved, big C. Come on. And you can make eyebrow little thick. It is curved, going from upper side. Okay? Yes. It's C shape. It's slanting line going up and from here you can make it thick and gradually pointed. So I'm going to make eyebrow. And here I will be making a line, and this line is going to be almost 4 and 1, 5 fingers. 5 fingers big. Slightly small than face. Okay? And I will take 1 point here, 1 point here. Draw 2 lines. And same ways we are going to show third eye of Devi Durga. Third eye. This is 4 and 1, 5 fingers big. You can take slightly bigger. Here you will leave little bit space because I want to show a big eye. So this is a straight line. I will draw a sleeping line above, sleeping line below. And this sleeping line I will connect to the corner. This corner also now connect. So you will find a very beautiful leaf shape eye. I want to make big eyes of Devi Durga. Leaf shape. Always, whenever you want to make this kind of big eyes, always make a middle line, then take 2 points, and then give curve. Okay? And you will find your drawing will look very beautiful. And same from here, almost 3 fingers big, 3 fingers. You can take slightly bigger than 3 fingers, and using this, I'm going to make my third eye of Devi Durga, because this is Devi Shakti, wife of Lord Shiva. So that Adi Shakti. Same ways, I use this middle line to show this third eye, and this is the eye of Devi. And we are going to make today's artwork in abstract form. Okay, abstract form. Can I check this? All of you, show. Yeah, very good. Shabash. Okay, very nice. Wonderful. Wonderful. I will erase this line. Erase this line. And make this upper eyelid dark. Thick. Make it thick. And here you can show this face curve also. Make it thick. And even show very dark kajal in this lower part also. Dark. Make the line dark. So your eyes will become very bright and beautiful. Okay. Upper eyelid dark. Same you're going to do here. You will be making this line dark and even this line dark. Okay. And we will be making a big eyeball, round. Okay, there's this round which is touching the upper portion and one smaller one. And in the smaller one, you are going to make 2 circles, a big and a small. Okay, a big and a small circle. Be very, very attentive and keep this method in mind, because today you are going to learn Devi Durga in abstract form. Okay, abstract art. In abstract art, It is not kind of realistic. We try your own colors, we try our own style. It is a freestyle of work, okay? And all of you see, this line is straight and then curve. It's looking like half U. Maitreyan, I think you need to make this line correct. It is going slanting, beta. Make it U shape. From here, it will come straight and U shape. Okay? So Maitreyan, you please do this correction, beta. Okay. This line is going slanting. You made it slanting now. Make it like this way. Okay, now I will be making eyeball here also. Same as I draw in Devi Durga's eye. Third eye. It is U shape. First you draw a straight line from here. Straight line from here. First straight line from here. And then go round like J for jug. Saisha, you please click on active speaker view. Saisha Sonali. Rest all can see me. Can you see me? Show thumbs up. And I am going to tell you a lovely story of Devi Durga today, okay? And it is a beautiful story. And this is a story which I read in Durga Saptashati today. And I will be sharing the same with you. Okay. Now, from here, this top point. This top point is here. We will be showing hair, but before that, let's complete lips. And now let's complete lips. From here, you will take 2 fingers distance from here. 2 fingers. Keep your 2 fingers and mark a line. Come on. 2 fingers from here. You will, in this hand, you will hold pencil. With this, you will mark a line. And this is going to be the middle line of lips. Come on. Show this kind of curve. It is straight and then curve. Slight curve, not very much. It's okay, Satvik. 6B is not actually required for making drawing. You can use ordinary pencil also, Satvik. For sketching, there is no requirement of HB pencil. You can use your regular pencils also. But hold your pencil loose. Don't hold your pencil tight. Hold it loose. Let me see. How are you holding? Show me. Loose. You will not hold like this. This way is we write. No, hold it loose. Automatically lines will come. Okay, now you will take a point here. Above. Take a point here. Above. Here. And draw a very small diagonal line. Small diagonal line. We are going to color it today. Yes, we will finish this artwork today. And from here till end, you will connect with diagonal line. Connect. Connect with diagonal line. Okay, this slanting line is very small. Don't make it big. Okay. Yes, correct. Yes, Kriya. Perfect. Now you will be making a line here. 1 finger distance. 1 line here. Yes, Nia Jain, it's perfect. Continue. Yes, perfect. Continue. Daksh, perfect, beta. Continue. Okay, now from here, make a line. Dash, leave some distance and connect. Connect this also. Okay, so your lips, half portion of lips is ready. And now you can take a ring or any other circle object and you can make from here. See the nose ring, the favorite jewelry will start from here and here. You can take a circle. Okay. Mom's bangle will be very big for this. So I'm going to make it freehand. Okay, this ways. So see here, it will start from lower side and it will go upper side. And yeah, 2 beads. Don't forget this. Okay. Yes, you can use a circle or you can go for freehand also. You can go for freehand circle also. We will finish this drawing, and this drawing you can try for your canvas painting also. You can try this artwork on canvas painting. Glue stick base you can use. Yes. Glue stick, it is too small. I want little big. You know? Yes, perfect. Very good, Karunya. All of you show. I want to check it. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. You all have done it so well. Great. Shabash. Wonderful. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will be making here neck. Show a neck and connect. This neck is 4 fingers big, 4 fingers. Show a neck. You can make the face little thin if you want. If you feel that face is looking very heavy, you can go for correction and you can make it little light. If you feel that face is looking very heavy. Okay. I gave little trimming. So see, and now I'm going to show hair of Devi Durga. So from where hair will start? Now very carefully you see this. All of you see how I'm going to start. See, your hair will come from here. It will go slanting till here. Then it will continue here and it will go slanting here. Okay, see, I'm showing you how it is going to be. And I'm going to show slightly curly. Connect it to your eyebrows. And then you just connect it diagonal. Complete this part is going to be hair. We are going to make hair this side. Okay. Simply C, letter C. Again C, again C, again. Okay. And here we are going to do watercolors. And as it is abstract art, abstract art is also part of our syllabus. We will see how beautifully we are going to manage it. And here we are going to show Devi Durga as Adi Shakti. Adi Shakti, okay? Yes. Done? Johan, done? Shabash, very good. Good efforts. Okay, now what I'm going to do, we will make, as here I want to show Adi Shakti, Lord Shiva. So for that, I'm going to show a Trishul here. Okay, we are going to show a Trishul here. And for this, I will be taking almost 2 fingers distance, and mark a point. And I'm going to write a big S this side, letter S. 2 fingers distance. See how to take measurement. In this hand, you will hold your pencil. And with this hand, you will keep your fingers and mark. Okay. So I always motivate my students to take measurements with fingers, not with scale. Okay. It will give you a clear-cut idea that how much big nose, how much big face. And like this is 5 finger distance and this is 7 fingers. So you can easily relate that how. Now I'm going to write a big S. And for this, I will go for diagonal line. I will give a curve. And I will go down an S, a big S. Letter S, S for sun. Come on, write a big S. And I will take one more point. Yes, it's correct, Sharvi. We will erase neck part from here. Yes. Okay, so we will erase neck part because this is overlapped by here. Sharvi messaged me, ma'am, you forgot to erase that. That's very nice that you easily, clearly understand that when we overlap things, we are supposed to erase the lines at the back. Okay, now from here, I will go parallel and one more S and I will go close and connect. Come on, this is Trishul and I can extend this line. Okay, I can extend this upper line for making the middle portion of Trishul. Pointed. Okay. I will be making one more line and I will connect to the top where I started taking measurements. Okay. And I'm repeating what I did. From here, I draw S. I took 2 fingers distance. I draw S. Then I took 1 finger distance. I draw one more S. And now I'm going to make the stick. No, it is 1 hour class only, Vedansh. We are going to finish it. Okay, and I'm going to make stick. So I will make one more line to show the stick of Trishul. Stick of Trishul. Okay, I will make one more line. This is one more line. Okay, I'm repeating what I did. From here, I took 2 fingers distance. Then from here, where this nose start now, from here, I draw S. I took one more point. I draw one more S and a straight line. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Come on, make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Sleeping one and connect it. Connect all the points with help of C. C to each other. Letter C. Okay, connect it. And as we are going to finish the artwork today only, and erase lines. The line you erase and only the texture you leave. Okay, and this way is our drawing is done. Can I check the work? Everyone, please show me your work. Wow, wonderful work. And this side, we are going to give blue wash, where we draw Trishul and we are going to show flowers. Okay, flowers with help of impression art. Very beautiful, lovely, amazing. Okay, so the very first step is drawing. And what is our second step? Coloring? Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, very good. Correct answer. Second step is outline. So now I'm going to give outlines. Okay. So let's get started and give outlines very properly. Okay. Very neatly, very carefully. You can give outlines. And lips we learn, a slanting line. First we draw a middle line. Then we took a point and slanting line, straight line, and then we connect. We draw a U shape to show face, which is now hidden behind curly hair of Devi Kali. Okay, and in my story, what happened when all Shambhu, Shambhu was a devil and was troubling Mother Earth and all human beings very much. So all started praying, all gods started praying, Devi Durga, please come and kill Shambhu. And Devi Durga, as very powerful, was having power of all gods and goddesses. So Shambhu sent his leader of army. Okay, in Hindi we call it Senapati. So he sent leader of army with a big, very big, huge. See here, this dark line. You will move your sketch pen and make it dark. Okay, very carefully. Eyes, you don't do in a hurry. And inner eyeball, you will fill with sketch pen only. Leave this white. These two circles white. And then fill it completely with sketch pen only. And same with outer circle, you will not fill. Outer, we are going to mix two colors. Okay. So that inner one, leaving two white dots, finish. And even kajal. Okay, you can make it a little more bold. A fish shape of eye. Okay. So Shambhu sent leader of army along with a very big, huge army, okay, to fight with Devi Durga. And Devi Durga was having no idea. The name of that leader was Rakta Bij, okay, Rakta Bij. See, I completed this part and let's complete this part also. Let's complete this part also. Give outlines. Inner eyeball, you will fill very nicely. I will leave little white in that. And the outer circle, you can make little bold. I will complete this Trishul part also. Okay. So you know what happened when he challenged Devi Durga that if you are so powerful, come on, kill me. You know, that Rakta Bij. So Devi Durga just attacked with help of Trishul. Okay, this Trishul. And lots of blood started oozing out from the body of that devil, Rakta Bij. But Devi Durga was very much surprised to see that even a drop of blood which was falling on ground, that drop was getting converted in one more Rakta Bij, devil Rakta Bij. And that devil Rakta Bij is equally powerful as that original one. Okay, so suppose Devi Durga attacked with Trishul and lots of blood started oozing out. So it got converted in a big army of Rakta Bij. Then Devi Durga increased number of hands, because now so many Rakta Bij were there in front of Devi Durga. Now what to do? So Devi Durga need to attack with more hands. So thousands of hands. Devi Durga attack. See, I completed this. Can I check yours? Huh? Done? Show? Very nice. Amazing. Okay, yes, I'm waiting. Finish. Yes, finish it. Wonderful. Okay, and even this part, we can color with black. Okay, to elaborate this Trishul's middle portion. And we just add one eye in that. And those who have done, those who have given with outlines, they will erase extra lines. And we are going to use there will be lots of use of watercolors today. And an earbud also if you have, you can keep with you. Erase all extra lines, okay? And make your drawing absolutely clean. And as this is abstract art, so the Devi Durga was giving wholehearted efforts to kill, but the moment blood was coming out from those thousands of Rakta Bij, more Rakta Bij were taking birth, they were existing. So Devi Durga was very much confused now what to do. If I kill them, more Rakta Bij are growing, then what to do? And you know what? From first 10 Rakta Bij, then 10 to 100, 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to million, million to billion, and many billions Rakta Bij started growing. And this way, the whole world got covered, was filled with Rakta Bij, Rakta Bij, Rakta Bij, devils, devils, devils. Devi Durga was very, very much confused. Then what to do? Then Devi Parvati said, now you come in form of Mahakali, okay? And I will start killing these all Raktabij, but you don't let the blood fall on ground. The moment blood will fall on ground, it will convert in a person. You just collect in a bowl and keep drinking. And extra Raktabij, you keep eating. Make your mouth big like a cave, a very big cave. And Devi Kali did the same. She just opened mouth like a big mountain and started killing Raktabij. And the blood which was oozing out, she was collecting in a bowl and drinking. So finally, what happened? Done. Now all of you take pink and red color. Come on, be quick. Pink and red. And I'm going to make a line, very light line. This way, very light to show eyelid. And I will do pink in nose, pink on the upper part of eyebrows. Here I will do pink. Okay, do pink nicely and dark. These colors dark. Okay, so lots of blood started oozing out, and all blood Devi Kali was drinking. Now see from where you will start. You will start from here, sleeping lines. From here you start, sleeping lines, and this upper portion of this face you're going to make pink. Okay, and see this beautiful abstract art will get ready. Come on, keep doing and make it. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't pressurize your color, but repeat every stroke 4 times and go for small strokes and one direction. The most important thing is one direction. You will not change direction. Okay, and I'm repeating. Dussehra is holiday and our plan is still on, and for competition, and the competition is also on. Details are on in chat box. You can see your chat box properly. I will make this line little more dark. A C. Okay, and this way is I'm going to make this upper part pink and nose part also pink. Okay, and anger, as I want to show Devi Kali, Mahagauri. So I want to show anger. And what is the color of anger? Anyone? When we are angry, our face turn yellow, thumbs up or thumbs down, black, red, yes. So we are going to do red color in face. But before that, let's take yellow and show forehead yellow. This upper forehead part, standing line, go for standing lines. See, I'm using oil pastels. Plastic crayons. These are plastic crayons. I will go for standing lines and dark forehead part. I'm going to do yellow. Okay, you will see this magical use of different colors will give a very beautiful and amazing look to our abstract art. Okay, and you can try this red. Red we are going to do in face. Or yeah, pink we are going to do in lips also. Okay, but first let's complete yellow. And remaining face, I'm going to show red. Okay, that angle. Those Devi Kali did same. Mahadurga started killing those Raktabij. Devi Kali opened his mouth like a big, huge cave, started eating all extra Raktabij who came into existence. And at the same time, she was drinking blood. And finally, last Raktabij, the original Raktabij was left. And when he got deprived of blood, whole blood of his body got finished, he died. Okay, so this ways, this Raktabij devil who was very, very cruel and troubling Mother Earth and humankind a lot, Devi Durga with wisdom killed this. And for thousands of years, this complete thing keep happening. Okay, see, I completed this ways. And pink, I can do pink. And now see, if you feel that you want to do skin color in face, you can try, but according to my color scheme, I want to do red color. Okay, red color, it will give exact look of Mahagauri and Devi Kali. Okay, anger we want to show. So I will do pink color here, and then I will switch on to red. And I will start red in my face. Standing line, start from here. Okay, standing lines. So this was a small story, and I kept my story very small because very soon we will be switching on to our, you can give outlines around. Okay, and these different colors, very different color scheme we are using today for Devi Durga. You will see it will give a very different look to your artwork. Okay, yes, this ways you continue. Okay, red color in face. Those who want to make fair complexion, they can even try skin color. Okay, so see this abstract art form, and here this Trishul is depicting Lord Shiva. है ना? So the Shakti is yes. See this way, standing line. You always start your coloring from a corner. Here also. Normally what students do, they start this ways and this ways. No, never do this. You can go for outlines around lips also. Go for thick outlines, and then we will start with our coloring. Eyes are also left. We will complete eyes too. And neck will also go red. Yes, this way is dark red color in your whole Devi Durga's face. Let's continue. Okay, eyes. After doing eyes, we will switch on to our watercolors. Okay. Continue standing lines, small strokes, one direction. Okay, and the moment I will switch on to watercolors, you also start doing with watercolors. Remaining part of red, you can do afterwards also, okay, after class. Because Friday is holiday, okay, and wish you all happy Dashera. And Devdutt, lots of congratulations and blessings for your lovely achievement. And we are really proud of you. And we will continue. If you want to leave those pearls white, you can leave them white. Otherwise, it can be colored afterwards with earbud also. So see this ways, I'm completing red. Okay. Complete red, small strokes, and no need to change direction. If you will change direction, the whole beauty of this artwork will disappear. You are supposed to be very, very careful while doing colors. Okay. Yes. And we are going to make very live and wonderful eyes. You can go make an outline around here. Okay. We will be completing this. And even neck part. Here, this little neck part is also visible. Finish this also. Okay. Finish this also. And this ways are Devi Durga with red face and pink eyeshadow, and nose is pink, lips pink, yellow forehead. It's looking extremely amazing, isn't it? Okay. So this ways you finish. Eyebrows you keep bold. This is letter C, which we use for showing eyebrows. And see this complete neck part, and this is done. I will take blue and I will do blue here. Light blue. Okay, now students, if your face is left, and I leave it and do it after the class. Now all of you take out your brown and yellow ochre color. Brown and yellow ochre. Come on, take out these two colors. Remaining red color in face, you can do afterwards. Okay? Yes. Brown and yellow ochre. As I don't have yellow ochre, I will take golden. Okay? Ready? Remaining part of face, you can do afterwards. Now see, this is golden color or yellow ochre. You fill little part of it. Little here, not complete. And same in this third eye also. Apply little in corner, yellow ochre or golden. You can even try yellow also. Now my second color, that is dark brown. I will move it over yellow ochre, and then this second outer part I will fill. And you will see my eyes looking so wonderful. Very lively. See, right? So little portion we add with this. See, as you join just now, beta, so better you just see and how we are doing, and afterwards with recorded class, Raksha, है ना? So you do afterwards, because if you will do, if pink is not there, so you can try any other color. You can try a light blue color also here. Ready? Now we will start with watercolors. Okay. Most awaited watercolors. I know you all love to do watercolors. And see here today we tried a very different color scheme for Devi Durga. And that is red face, pink eyeshadow, nose, and yellow forehead. Okay. Now I will take out my light blue. You can take dark blue. Actually, I want dark blue. I want little white, brown, and black. Okay, these are colors required. And this side, as I want to show Lord Shiva. So what is the skin color of Lord Shiva? Tell me. Red, thumbs up or thumbs down? No. Black? No. White? No. Blue? Yes. So we are going to show here blue. Okay. So again, we need little cotton. Come on. And little water. Okay. Dip your water, cotton in water. I will open my blue color. I will open my all colors so that I can do my work quickly. And first we will start with blue, and in same blue we will take little brown and black, and we will complete here. So this way we will use same cotton for so many. I will open my colors. Open your colors like this in a plate. Only these colors are required. If you want to make flowers, because this portion I want to add flowers, dip your cotton, take it out. Take it out. Squeeze, remove extra water. And first I will start with blue, dark blue color. Take out your dark blue color. Okay. See, I have dark blue. So I will take blue over it. Okay, I will remove water. I want lots of blue. I will add little this blue also. These two, when will get mixed, they will give a very beautiful effect too. Okay, now very carefully, all of you see what you're supposed to do now. After doing this, I will remove my plate. I will first move around my Trishul very carefully. You can even move around using, you can use earbud also for this. You can use earbud also for this. Okay. And okay. And I'm going to move it straight line. I will be moving same ways outside. Okay, you can even use earbud for this. You can use earbud for making outlines. Okay, very carefully, you will be moving around, just go around lines. Okay, and finish. Here, you can go for straight line. And now you will go for straight lines. Go for straight lines. Okay, this ways you will go for straight lines. I will take little more. Okay, and I will just cover it up. I will take little more blue, little more dark blue, and I will completely make it blue as I want to show Lord Shiva's existence here. Okay, if you feel that your first coat is not dark, you can go for second coat, but make sure feather touch. Otherwise, what will happen? Paper balls will come. Okay, very carefully, you just cover it up. And this upper portion also, standing lines. Okay, come on. Finish this phase. You will be completing here. And you can take a little more color and complete it here. Yes. Now, after this, you will not throw off this cotton. You will use the same cotton for making your hair. Because reflection of blue will look great. Okay, finish it. Go for long, long lines. Huh. Okay. And on the same cotton, I will take brown, blue, then brown, and little of black. Very touch of black. Black, you will not take too much. Little black on same cotton, on blue cotton. Don't throw this cotton, okay? And these all colors, when I will mix little brown and a very little drop of, and I will start with my Devi Durga's hair. Just move outlines. Okay, and start making, keep taking colors and start completing. If you feel that your colors are over, you can take more and you will go for this kind of C again and again. And you can take more color, like see in my cotton, the color is over. I will take more. I will take more, little water, little brown, little black, blue is already there. And I will find a lovely curly hairstyle. Go for C, C, C all over. C. Okay. Here too. And this ways I will show curly hairstyle. Okay. Yes. And see, I will cover up this complete part. And the mixing of black and blue is looking so wonderful, isn't it? Look at my hands, completely black and brown. Do this and see, you all are looking like artists. Hands are completely colorful. Blue, brown, black. Yes? Okay. Finish it. Okay. Now see this you can try for canvas also. Like suppose Devi Durga's drawing is coming, you can try this kind of abstract art also. Okay. This kind of artwork. And you can see how openly we thought. So you can even think openly like yellow, pink, red to show that anger. And we took this color. So this ways you can switch on to colors. Feel yourself, keep yourself free with imaginations of colors. So this is a very different kind of art form. And here we are going to show flowers all around. Even we can show bale patra also. But go for white flowers, pure. It will. You can use earbud or cotton. Today I'm going to use cotton for making so that the petals will come bigger. And what I'm going to do, I will dip it in water and I will take white. You can even take yellow also, but I will prefer white. And see this big piece of cotton. And I will take white color and I will add some floral. You can try lady's finger impression if you have. You can try earbud. And same I'm going to try here, white. You can do it with earbud also. Okay, I will make it white. You can try this yellow also. Okay, you can try here yellow too. See, I'm going to put white on this cotton and I just gave it a shape of petal. And I'm going to put one 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this kind of flowers with cotton impression I'm making. Okay, with cotton impression I'm making these flowers. You can try pink also if you want to make bel patra. You add green with white and you can try those also. Okay, see this ways. Suggestive flowers. 3 petals. If you want to make 4, you can try 4. Some with 3, some with 4, you can try. And our artwork is going to get finished. And here I can show 3 petals, 3, 3, right? You can even show more. If you know how to make it with paintbrush, you can even try with paintbrush. Okay. So this ways you can add many more. And you can even use earbud. Okay. You can even use earbud and I will be showing shower of floral. Okay, so you can show some suggestive petals falling down. Okay, and don't forget to add yellow in middle. Okay, you can use earbud and add yellow. You can even use brown. Okay, use earbud for this. You can make many more dots. And this is all about, you can make even for, you can make some dots here, 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 all over to show this part looking wonderful. Okay. This is all about our today's learning today. And hopefully you all must have enjoyed. And see, our offer is still on. It will get expired on Dashera. So those who want to take, please share it with your friends, relatives, school friends, so that they can also take benefit of this offer and be the part of learning. So this is all about, can I check your work, or if you all are busy with your painting work? Yes, I can see many of you are busy with your painting work. Yes, wonderful. Shabash. Good efforts, very good. Many students are still busy doing their work. Okay, so please see its complete recording once again so that the method of making a face will get fixed in your mind. Okay, so this is all about and happy Dashera to all of you, and take care. And Friday there is no class, don't forget this. Okay, Friday is holiday, and offer is there and details of competition is there on chat box. So please see all the students are busy doing work, so I will put a YouTube short of this. Okay, so with this I will wind up class. Lots of blessings. Bye bye, take care. Bye my dear students, take care. And don't forget to send this artwork on Instagram. Okay, take care. Lots of blessings.